Hello friends, let me give you some pointers. Do you know that cholesterol is derived from the word chole, referring to bile, or the gallbladder, or the liver, and sterol, very similar to the word steroid, because cholesterol is actually a precursor to the formation of steroid. Kaya importante yung cholesterol sa katawan ng tao. So, cholesterol actually is involved in the formation of bile. It's also involved in the formation of steroid hormones, the sex hormones like estrogen, progesterone, androgens. And it is an important component of the cell wall and the nerve cells. It is also part of vitamin D found in the skin. So, napaka-importante po ng cholesterol. Okay, point number 2. Cholesterol is actually made up of lipoprotein. It's a kind of protein made up of several components like meron diyang cholesterol esters, meron diyang triglycerides, and fatty acids, and free cholesterol, and also apoprotein. It's a kind of protein. Basically, lipoprotein is a protein molecule with a lipid component. So, yung cholesterol po, merong HDL or good cholesterol at may LDL in quotation mark kasi branded as bad cholesterol yung LDL. Pero, okay, the point number 3 is that LDL is not all the while bad cholesterol because only a small portion of total LDL is bad. Recently, they have found out that the LDL that is associated with heart disease and cardiovascular disease, neurovascular disease, yung mga sakit sa puso, yung high blood pressure, yung tumitigas yung mga kaugatan natin, yung stroke, yung atake sa puso, yung tinatawag ng ischemic heart disease, yung atherosclerosis. Alam nyo, number 1 na ang heart disease globally. At ina-attribute nila yung LDL. Pero hindi naman lahat ng LDL ang related to sa mga sakit na ito. It's only the small LDL and the oxidized LDL. Kaya medyo unfair yung tinawag natin yung LDL as bad cholesterol. Okay, so I hope this gives us an insight as to what cholesterol is. So again, cholesterol is important in the formation of bile, steroid, hormones. Okay, it's part of the cell wall, the nerve cells, and of course, it is a component of vitamin D. Next is the good cholesterol, HDL, the bad cholesterol in quotation mark because not all of its LDL is bad. LDL is further classified into different subcategories. At yung bad cholesterol sa loob ng LDL ay small LDL and the oxidized LDL. Okay, next point of view. Yun pong cholesterol is produced mainly in the liver. Galing sa atay natin yan. Okay? Hindi galing sa pagkain ang karamihan. Dahil sa atay at saka sa small intestine, yun pong cholesterol nanggagaling sa synthesis sa kaloob-looban ng ating katawan. Sa liver, 90% of cholesterol in the blood and in the tissues are made in the liver. Yung galing sa diet po ay 10% lang. Yun po ang katotohanan. So, consider it. Okay? I hope these pointers about cholesterol gives us an idea. Next time, let's deal with some other aspects of atherosclerosis and heart disease. Thank you.